Welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2004 New Holland BR780 in good condition. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber, and is equipped with a standard hydraulic pickup with dual gauge wheels, along with auto twine wrap control and electric double wrap, and a hydraulic bale tensioner and bale kicker. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780. Interested in this baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.